Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to install Python. So the simplest way to install Python and learn coding is by installing Anaconda. So we'll be installing Anaconda. So watch the video till the end. So go to Google and search Anaconda. So select the first link. Okay, now you can see the latest version is Python 3.9. So it's around 510 MB. So you have to download it. It may take some time to download. And after downloading, we can install this. So now we have successfully downloaded the Anaconda. So next step is to install it. So it is pretty easy actually. So just double click. Next. I agree. Next. Okay. This may take a few minutes. Next and next. So now we have our Anaconda Navigator here. So we'll open it. Okay. So now we have successfully installed Anaconda. So next step is to open JUPYTER Notebook. So where's okay. So we have a JUPYTER Notebook here. And click on launch. Okay, this is a Jupyter Notebook. Okay, I will just run a simple program. Go to Python 3. Just to make sure this actually works. Equal to 3. Equal to 2. Okay, this works. So I hope this video is very interesting to you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in another video.